Symbud Myntri rangbah jylla Bah Prestone tynsong khlieh ru yaka high level committee haba kren cekilat pathai khubor mynta janmiet jong tarik Jymmang ong Hadien ula dep yo pdiang yaka RTI na HYC ula pha biang katei kaiphod show chief executive officer Municipal show director urban affair department Bah Prestone halor jinglap RTI seng HYC.
The memorandum to me and then pointing out about the RTI copy that they received, they said instead of 342, they found out that it was only 94 or something like that. So I told them, subjected to verification again. So I have already sent back this copy to the chief executive officer as well as to the director of the urban affairs department, where they have to verify, re-verify, and then come back, give it the detail to RTI. Because the way the reply of RTI is, I remember correctly when I was looking after power. That again, that's sebagai scheme. The RTI and the actual things that we have in the file is different. So I don't say that it is in totality correct. That's what I sent back to the department concerned to bring back all the details, and if need be, clarification has to be given to
When will be